Ang ganda ko dito. Hi everyone, this is ganda ko. Hi everyone, this is Matthew on DreiBarcenas, DreiBarcenas for short, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my everyday makeup look, which is yung mostly na ginagawa ko whenever I do some TikTok contents, I do live on my social media accounts. And yeah, it's very different from the videos that I'm already been uploading, which is the travel vlog, simply because we're still in the middle of the pandemic and hindi po ako mapag-travel. Though I will be honest, nagta-travel pala ako, nag-out of town, pero hindi ko ina-upload because I don't want people to have an urge kung saan gugustuhin na nila lumabas dahil lang nakakapag-travel yung ibang tao and nakikita nila yon. So yeah, I'm still going out but with safety precautions, so don't worry, safe po tayo and hopefully matapos na talaga siya. So yeah, for today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my everyday makeup look. Yeah, which is very subtle, very neutral. Pwede siya for boys and girls. So, yun. As I said on the disclaimer before, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I just know how to use makeup to do makeup onto other people. And I just learned through YouTube as well. So, mahaba na masyadong introduction. So, without further ado, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I don't know if it's here or here. And hit that bell button, guys, to keep you updated. So, yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So, I'm done prepping up the skin. Naglagay lang ako ng moisturizer and some sunscreen kasi naka-ring light tayo. Yeah, masyado tayo exposed sa light. And right now, make sure na malinis yung kamay nyo. The next step that I love to do is to put some primer. And the primer that I'm using is this one, the No Shine Mattifier from Quick FX. I bought this on Watson for $2.75, I think. And maglalagay lang tayo sa fingertips. Make sure na malinis yung kamay nyo. And ilagay nyo lang siya sa face kung saan visible yung pores. Ako mostly dito. Ayan. So, ako nalalapit, di ko na zoom. Ayan, kasi visible yung pores ko dito. Mostly ako sa T-zone ako nagkakaroon. So, ayan. Tsaka sa nose. So, after putting some primer on the face, I really love to go now with the foundation. And the foundation that I'm using is this one. It's the Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation Matte Plus Poreless Finish in the shade 310, ayan, and 128, which is sun beige and warm nude. Hindi ko kasi makuha yung yung shade ko dito, so pinaghahalo ko tong dalawa. So yeah. So as you can see, ayan, nilalagay ko lang yung foundation with some brush. I know, medyo makapal, marami akong na-pumps, dapat pala isa lang. And what I love to do is to go now with the sponge and mag-blend lang tayo. Syempre, if you want your foundation to be seamless, like hindi talaga siya halata, blending is the key. After doing that, hindi na ako nagko-concealer simply because I don't want to highlight some part of my face. But what I love to do is to bake. And ang ginagamit ko is this one, the Nichido Final Powder. Ayan siya. So, kuha lang tayo ng puff. I don't know if it's a puff sponge. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. And we're just going to put it under the eyes. ba? Or perfect. Mostly, lagyan nyo yung mga parts na nagpapawis kayo. Kasi, this can actually help you. So, yeah. So, while we're baking, ang next step naman is for you to go now with the brows. What I love to do now is to get this brow gel from Vice Cosmetic in the shade Ganda. And ayun yung nilalagay ko sa brows ko. So after putting the brow gel, the next thing is for you to do now your brows. And the brow pomade that I'm using is from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade, ayan, Ebony. And we're just going to, ayan siya, Anastasia Beverly Hills. So ever. Kuha lang tayong angle brush. And gawin lang natin ang ating kilay. So, we're done now with the brows. Ayan. So, as you can see, medyo makapal siya. Yeah. Pero, yun kasi yung gusto kong brows. Talagang kinakapalan ko siya kahit makapal na yung brows ko. After that, with a angle brush, we're just going to remove the powder na pinang-bake natin. And after that, we're just going to use this Vice Cosmetics as well. This is the contour blush. Our contour in the shade For Sure. Ayan. We're just going to tap a little bit. And for me, I love to go simula dito. Ayan o. Sa ating sideburns. Going front. With a bouncing motion. Tapping motion pala. Bouncing motion. Oh. Same with the other one. Just cup your face. Bouncing or circular motion will do. Don't forget the forehead. Actually, ako hindi ko kailangan maglagay sa forehead kasi nakabagsak naman yung buhok ko. Pero papakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano ko siya kinukontour. Then don't forget the jawline. So yan. Then after that, kukuha lang ako ng ibang brush para sa nose contour. For the nose contour part, I'm just going to use an angled brush as well, pero the flat one. Contour lang tayo. Ang pag-contour ng nose, ang ginagawa ko mostly is from brows pababa. Then, in a circular motion. Yan, para magkaroon tayong ilong, bakla. Mas maganda kung dinadrag nyo siya sa side, pag gano'n. Just look at what I'm doing. Yan, pag ganyan. So, syempre, magdodraw ka muna ng line as usual. Then, grab, bababa. Same with the other one. Line. Bababa. That's it. That's how you contour your face para magkaroon ng structure. So, after that, ayoko naman na sobrang light yung eyes. So, I'm going to contour the eyes as well using my fingertips, guys. Again, this is the Aura Contour by Vice Cosmetics in the shade Confirm. Medyo darker siya dun sa ginamit natin pang contour kanina. And tap lang tayo ng sobrang little amount lang. I don't know if makikita nyo. Pero ganyan lang. Then, ang gagawin ko lang is to top the outer view. Tapos ikakalat ko lang siya paloob using my fingertips. So, bakit nga ba natin siya nilalagyan ng ganun? Simply because magiging pale kasi, pale looking yung eye. So, parang alam niyo yun, obvious na naka-makeup na. So, this is what I'm using right now as the contour for the eyes. So, ayan, tapping motion lang. Then, if you want, you can actually put ren on the lower. Ayan. So, there you have it. Ayan. Nakita nyo ba? Medyo ano siya, nagkaroon ng dimension yung eyes somehow. So, after that, we're going now with the blush. And the blush that I'm using is this one. Bigay lang to sa akin. It's Ashes. Hindi ko alam. But it's a 10 color palette. This is the Glamorous blush. Ayan. And as you can see, ayan. Ito yung gagamitin natin. Which is gamit na. And ito yung gagamitin kong brush. And ilalagay lang natin siya dito mostly. Para magkaroon lang ng buhay. And if you want, you can try rin to put on the nose. And after that, we're just going to curl our lashes para mabuhay lang yung mata natin. So, I'm using the Chido curler, eyelash curler. Ayan. So, what I love to do is to ayan, curl first yung pinakadulo. Then, as I curl the lash, nahatak ko siya paharap para yung pagkakulot niya is pag ganon, para mabuhay lang siya. Ayan. So as you can see, diba, perfect. Then after curling the lashes, we're just going now with the, you know, mascara. And the mascara that we're using is the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. For the guys out there, alam kong ayaw nyo na gumagastos sa makeup. So, maghanap na lang kayo ng kahit anong mascara na waterproof. Kasi mahal tong Benefit. Okay lang tayo. Is it necessary maglalagay? For the girls, oo, para mabuhay yung eyes natin. For the guys out there, kahit hindi naman na. Pero kung gusto nyo naman na, like, soft boy, ganyan. Like me, charing. So, yan. So, for the boys out there, alam kong ayaw nyo ng mga ganito, yung mga halatang halata naka-mascara kayo. So, get a spoolie. And, ayan, tanggalin nyo lang yung makakapal. Or ikalat nyo lang yung eyelashes. Yeah, then we set that for 5 minutes. Then after that, we're just going to jump in with the Vice Cosmetics Hour Glow. Ayan, this one. Gamit na gamit siya, guys. Pasensya na. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush. And pwede rin siya hands, guys. Doon sa mga lalaki na ayaw gumastos sa brushes. Ayan. Just going to put it on the temple, under the eyebrows. Ganyan. Like that. Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng kinang. And, ayun, hindi na pala ako nagsa-setting spray. Simply because wala lang. Ayoko lang mag-setting spray. Ayokong putok yung highlighter. And, hindi naman ako aalis. Nag-shoot lang ako ng video. So, hindi na kailangan mag-stay ng makeup. So, yeah. Kita nyo ba yung glow? Ayan. Then, don't forget the nose as well. Ganda mo. Charing. So, yeah. After that, we're just going in with some wet wipes to remove the excess foundation on the lips. So, this is my natural lips. As you can see, mapula na siya. So, hindi ko na kailangan ng lip tint. Pero kung naninigarilyo kayo, ganyan, use some lip tints, guys. And I'm just going to grab my Nivea Fruity Shine Cherry. Ayan. And we're just going to put it on the lips. Yes, lovely. Then some finishing. So hi guys, yeah, this is the finished look. I hope na you like this video as much as I do. And yeah, I hope na may natutunan kayo somehow. So yeah, this is DreiBarcenas and see you in my next video.